Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most modern and powerful features in C++, Lambda Expressions. You'll often see lambdas used in competitive programming, real-world C++ projects, and especially when working with STL algorithms like sort, for each, findif, and more. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a lambda function is, how to write one and use them, how variable capture works, how to use lambdas inside STL algorithms. And of course, we'll finish with a mini project filtering even and odd numbers using lambdas. A lambda expression is basically an anonymous function, meaning it has no name and is defined exactly where you need it. Think of it like a quick inline function, no need to declare it elsewhere. This makes your code cleaner, shorter, and often faster to write. This is the syntax of lambda expression. Capture list shows how the lambda accesses variable from outside. Here we input parameters like a normal function. The return type is optional. Compiler usually deduces this, and this here is the body of our function. Here, auto stores the lambda in a variable named greet. We can call it just like a normal function. Let's see a lambda with parameters. So we created a lambda called add and then wrote the parameters in the parentheses. Let's see if we get 5 plus 10 equal to 15. So we got the sum as 15. The capture list lets your lambda use variables from outside its scope, and the following program shows how we can do that. So here we created two variables x and y and then created our lambda function, and here is the capture list. Then we added them and simply called the lambda. If you want the lambda to modify the outside variable, capture it by reference. Let's see how we can do that. Here ampersand inside the square brackets or capture list means capture everything by reference. This table here shows different capture modes of a lambda function. Here's where lambdas shine the most with STL functions like for each, sort, findif. In this program, we created a vector called nums and then printed it to the screen before sorting. Using the function sort, we are sorting our lambda and printing it to the screen. Let's see the output. So before sorting, it was 52813, and after sorting, it was 12358. Let's create a short program to filter even and odd numbers using lambdas. We will first write our headers, iOS stream, vector, and algorithm. Then we'll write namespace std, and inside the main we will declare a vector numbers holding values from 1 to 10. After that, with the help of for each function, we are going to print our even numbers and odd numbers. Let's get started. So from beginning till the end, we are going to access each value. Using if, we are going to check whether the number gives remainder as 0 when divided by 2 or not. So we will write if n 2 equal to 0, then print the number. For odd numbers, the condition will become n modulus 2 not equal to 0. So our program is ready. Let's run to see the output. With the output we got, we can see our program runs very well. So we learned lambda are anonymous functions which are great for one-line functions inside STL algorithm and makes our code cleaner and faster to write. This is what you have to do. Create a program that stores a list of marks, uses a lambda with countif function to find how many marks are greater than 5 and then print the result. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for next episode. Till then, bye bye.